on the hill. Gus. Dead. Come on. Dead. Sit. Heel. Come on, son. Sonny. Dead. Go back. Right. Good lad. Come on in. Hold it. Get back. Get back. Get back. There. 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 The wind's at my back. Should be winding it. There we go. Good lad. Give her. Dead. Heel. Good. Oi! Oi! Chastise the dog with the gum in its mouth. You ran in there. Here. Hold it. Dead. Good. Cooper. Stay. Cooper here. Gus. Dead. Good. Yo. Cooper. Dead. Good. Sonny, stay. Gus. Testing Sonny steadiness. Come on in. Dead. Good. Sonny! Just fun and games this morning. Get back, Sonny, Sonny, get back. Get back. Good lad. Sonny. Good lad. Good. Yeah, good. Good boys. Just try to introduce a wee bit of fun into this for Sonny. Remember the last session? And I was trying to do lefts and rights and backs and that hot day last week. I'm just trying to bring a bit of fun into it basically for the wee man. You need to watch the seed and that for your eyes. We'll go up here a wee bit. Heel. Heel. Sit. Stay. Back. Heel. Just a bit of memory for Gus. At the end of this video I'll stick on some gratuitous puppy content from the puppy springers that we went to see and pick one. Hey boys, heel. Gus, heel. Gus, sit. Gus, get back. Good lad. Sit. Dead, good. Got here a bit wide. Good boys. Here, Sonny. Here. Sonny. Sonny. Just a hand signal there. See how his memory is for that first dummy. Here, hold it. Good. You dropped that. Sonny, get back. Good boy. Nothing wrong with his memory. Come on, here, good. Good. Get back. Sonny, get back. Yeah, come on. Good, you were standing right on it. Good boy. Hold it. Good lad. Good. Stop. Hey! Sit up. They all need to be brush up and stop. Gus. Apart from Gus. Cooper. Gus. You cross over. Good. Gus is murder maybe. I don't know. Back. Get back. Good. Christ on that. Go on you. Dead. Good. Heel. I'm just checking that. Eyes or seat. Let's go. There we go. You're super obedient, but what's happened to your nose? We'll try again. Heel. Sit. Try opposite. Gus. Right. Ha! Go ahead. That, see it? There we go. Good. Right. Keep that other one in your mind. What's that? Good boy. Good boy. Good. Okay. Okay. Everybody heel. Heel. Good. Sonny. Left. I'll not do the double crossover for him. He's too young for that. Just get him used to the fun and games. Good heel. Get back. Sonny, get back. Good. Right. Good. Gus. Fucking for sitting on that. Gus, get that. Good. Sonny. Good. Good lads. Good. Big Cooper, ain't Big Cooper's the best today. Right. Big swashbuckling Cooper. Dead. Right. Ain't the old man showing up the youngsters. I think you've had enough of you, man. Come on, you. What you doing? Dead. Let's go. Let's go. More months, apart from Cooper. What's become evident in the last few weeks is they all need a bit of work. I know for a fact the wee man would rather be in here, picking up the bushes and chasing stuff and scenting stuff. He can't be bothered with dummies that much. He can't be, this is his natural life. In the woods. Nose down. Not that interested in dummies compared to the labs. Well, it was okay there. I'm just trying to build up a wee bit of, drive for the dummies, for the training situation. In the real day, in the real shoot day, there's a real game. There's no doubting. That's where he belongs. Anyway, stand by for some gratuitous puppy content from myself and my wife. Went down to pick a puppy down near Hexham in Northumberland on Sunday there. So I'll point out the puppy we've picked, or the puppy I've picked. I let the wife think she picked it, but you know. Right, okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, subscribe. Cheers now, people. Bye. Boys, here. Oh, bunch of muppets. Apart from you, old man. Yeah, probably. There's a full of black faces, I thought.